Hello, greetings from Boonary TV. In today's GK topic, we will see lost your wallet? What to do next? Whether you've misplaced your wallet somewhere or whether it's stolen, what steps should you take immediately? Watch ahead. Imagine you're at the shop to buy something. After purchasing, when you're ready to make payment, you put your hand into your trouser pocket or you slide your hand into your handbag and you suddenly realize your wallet is missing. We all know that sense of panic when we realize that our wallet or purse is missing. Your wallet contains everything: driving license, bank cards, ID, etc. What's even terrible is that if it falls into the wrong hands, it could be devastating. The least that can happen is you lose a little money, but you could be the victim of identity theft and fraud. So, what do you do if the worst happens with you? Take a look. First of all, find out if your wallet is actually lost or stolen or just misplaced. Sometimes we just forget where we've kept it and start panicking. When we find it back, we realize how foolish we had been. So think about it first. If your wallet is really lost, what should you do immediately? Think about the places you recently visited where you might have lost it. It could be a shop, a restaurant that you had been to, or the mall where we went last. Try to call or visit those places and try to see if it's there. Sometimes honest people do keep it safe, and you might just encounter someone who will help you get your wallet back. Number 2, if you had your bank cards in the wallet that you lost, immediately call the bank and notify them about your lost wallet, so that they can block access to it. This will in turn prevent any fraudster from misusing your card for any transactions. Number 3, inform the cops about the loss or theft. Don't think the police won't have time to deal with this. It's true that maybe the cops won't be jumping on the case to track down your wallet, but you should inform them. Why? The reason for this step is to provide evidence in your favor should you become a victim of identity theft or fraud. If it happens, you don't want to be explaining why you didn't report the loss. You will have to inform the cops about how much money was in your wallet, how many and which bank cards did you have, where and when you lost it, or what was the wallet like? When you finished filing the report, keep a copy for your records. What other steps should you keep in mind? Watch ahead. Most of us keep our driving license in our wallets. Other than that, not all but some also keep their Aadhaar or PAN card with them. If this is lost, you will need to report this too. You can do it online or also visit the local authorities to report the loss of your wallet. All these were steps to be taken after you lost your wallet. But what steps can we take beforehand? Check your wallet and remove all that is not necessary. You might just want to carry some cash and maybe an ATM card. Just in case that fails, you can carry a backup ATM card with a main one. All the others, you should leave it safely at home if that's not necessary. Secondly, whichever bank cards you are using, make sure you keep their contact numbers handy with you so that in case you lose your wallet, you're not panicking to find the numbers on the internet, thus saving you from losing your precious time too. It'll be convenient if an untoward incident happens and you need to notify the bank immediately. Third, whether it's your Aadhaar, PAN card or driving license or any other document, scan or photocopy everything that's in your wallet. This will serve as a backup for you. Here was a checklist for you and a little helpful advice.